Welcome to our module on candidate screening and assessment, a crucial step in building a strong team. Our focus today is on effectively identifying and evaluating top talent, especially for specialized STEM roles. Let's start by understanding the essentials of resume screening, which is your very first filter for candidates. This initial filtering process is absolutely vital for pinpointing and advancing the most promising individuals. First, let's establish a clear definition of what resume screening actually entails in recruitment. Resume screening involves carefully reviewing job applications to find candidates who match the required qualifications, skills, and experience. So, why is this process so important for successful hiring outcomes? Let's explore its significance. It significantly saves time by quickly filtering out candidates who do not meet the basic requirements early on. This process improves hiring accuracy, ensuring that only the most suitable and top candidates move forward. By streamlining the recruitment process, resume screening helps to reduce overall hiring costs effectively. Using structured evaluation methods can also help prevent unconscious bias, leading to fairer hiring decisions. Now, let's dive into the key criteria you should be looking for when evaluating resumes. We will explore what truly makes a strong application stand out from the rest. First, consider the candidate's job title and their overall work experience in the field. It is crucial to assess their relevant work history and specific industry experience for the role. Next, examine their education and any professional certifications they have obtained. You need to verify that they possess the required degrees, licenses, or professional certifications for the position. Then, focus on their specific skills and technical expertise relevant to the job requirements. Identify the specific tools, software, and technical competencies that they bring to the table. Also, look for their achievements and the results they have delivered in previous roles. It's important to find quantifiable accomplishments and the impact they've made in their past positions. Finally, assess their work stability and the progression of their career over time. Examine their consistent job history, looking for logical and steady career growth. Now, let's compare the two primary methods of resume screening: manual versus automated approaches. We'll explore the distinct advantages and disadvantages of each screening strategy. First, let's consider the characteristics of manual screening, relying on human review. Manual screening allows for a more detailed evaluation, benefiting from nuanced human judgment. However, it can be time-consuming, especially with many applications, and is often prone to human bias. Next, we have automated screening, often using applicant tracking systems or ATS. Automated systems offer faster processing, help reduce bias, and efficiently filter resumes for keywords. A potential downside is that automated systems might miss qualified candidates with non-standard resume formats. Finally, let's look at the hybrid approach, which combines the best of both worlds. This method combines human judgment with the efficiency and speed of artificial intelligence. Keep in mind that implementing a hybrid approach requires an investment in modern recruitment technology. Let's explore the various types of behavioral assessments that help us understand a candidate's potential and fit for a role. These assessments are crucial for measuring those essential soft skills and understanding how individuals typically behave in a professional workplace. First, we have situational judgment tests, which present candidates with realistic workplace dilemmas to evaluate their responses. They specifically measure a candidate's decision-making abilities and how effectively they solve problems when faced with various scenarios. Next, we consider personality tests, which delve into an individual's inherent traits and preferences. These tests help us understand a candidate's work style, their core motivations, and how well they collaborate within a team. Emotional intelligence tests are also vital for assessing a candidate's interpersonal and intrapersonal skills effectively. They measure crucial aspects like self-awareness, how adaptable someone is, and their capacity for empathy towards others. Then, we have cognitive ability tests, which evaluate a candidate's mental aptitude and problem-solving capabilities. These tests specifically measure critical thinking skills, logical reasoning abilities, and how a candidate approaches complex problems. Finally, job simulation exercises offer a practical way to see candidates in action, performing tasks similar to the actual job. They accurately measure a candidate's real-world problem-solving skills as they tackle specific, job-related tasks and challenges. Now, let's discuss how to effectively structure a pre-screening call to gather essential information efficiently. A well-structured call ensures consistency across candidates and significantly boosts the efficiency of your hiring process. First, always prepare a consistent questionnaire beforehand to ensure you cover all necessary points with every candidate. Use this opportunity to assess their basic qualifications, confirming they meet the fundamental requirements for the role. It's also a great chance to evaluate their communication skills, observing clarity and professionalism during the conversation. Finally, address crucial details like salary expectations and their availability to ensure alignment before moving forward. Let's explore how to design effective skills tests that accurately measure a candidate's capabilities for a specific role. Begin by clearly defining the key skills absolutely essential for success in the role you are trying to fill. Always ensure your tests are highly job-specific, directly reflecting the tasks and challenges of the actual position. Set fair and reasonable time limits for each test, allowing candidates enough time to demonstrate their abilities. Consider using automated tools for administering and scoring tests, which enhances efficiency and objectivity in your evaluations. Let's understand why background and reference checks are absolutely crucial in the hiring process. These checks confirm honesty and integrity by carefully verifying a candidate's stated credentials and their past work history. They significantly enhance workplace security by screening for any relevant criminal history, protecting your organization and employees. Background checks also prevent negligent hiring risks by helping you avoid individuals with a history of misconduct. They help ensure a good culture and role fit by confirming a candidate's work ethics and overall reliability from previous employers. Finally, performing these checks ensures legal compliance, meeting all local employment laws and regulatory requirements in your region. Let's now summarize our discussion and consolidate the essential points we've covered today. We'll focus on the key takeaways that are crucial for effective candidate assessment in any hiring process. Remember, resume screening is your vital first step to efficiently identify candidates who meet the initial qualifications for the role. Structured pre-screening calls are excellent for quickly assessing basic qualifications and a candidate's communication skills right away. Behavioral and psychometric tests provide deep insights into a candidate's soft skills and their crucial cognitive abilities. Skills-based and technical assessments are essential for objectively measuring specific job-related competencies and capabilities. Always conduct thorough background and reference checks to verify a candidate's professional history and ensure their integrity. Using a combination of all these methods ensures you make accurate, fair, and highly efficient hiring decisions every time.